If you've made anything in Google Flow, then you know that you've got a watermark sitting in the corner of it. Every tutorial I found tells you to fix it the same way. Download an editor, add a blur filter, drag a box over the corner, let's spot the whole thing again. You don't have to do any of that anymore. There's a setting now. Open Flow and take your profile picture. Right at the bottom of that panel, there's a line that says Visible Watermarking with an off and on switch next to it. Click off and that's the whole thing. And yes, you have access to this on the free plan. No subscription or upgrade needed. Same panel showing 50 credits that refreshes already. One thing to know though, this only applies to new generations. I tested it. I went back to clips I had already made, downloaded them again, and the watermark was still there. So, switch is off before you start, not after. So here's the proof. I ran the same prompt twice, one with the setting on, and look at the watermark at the corner. Now, the one with it off, look at the corner. There's nothing there. No editor, no filter, no re-export. The file just comes out clean. Mark you can see is gone, but Google still puts an invisible watermark in the file called synth-ig, and nothing removes it. Not cropping, not editors, not even this setting. So when I say there's no watermark, I mean the one you can see. So that's it. If you've been editing these out by hand, you can stop now. And it's worth remembering that Flow changes fast, and half the tutorials out there are still solving problems Google already fixed. I keep checking, so if you want to know when something changes, hit the subscribe button. And if this saved you a job, click like and tell me in the comments what else you've been working around, and I'll check if it still needs it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.